Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to install a Chassis Unlimited Thorax Rack Universal Bed Rack system. We're going to be going over the install on the parts that it includes and what to expect. Chassis Unlimited includes all mounting hardware needed, upright supports, crossbars, and universal panels for you to install traction mats, roto packs, high lift jacks, whatever you want to bolt to the side of your thorax rack. Be sure to always read your instructions. So when installing the bolts, Chassis Unlimited Thorax Rack, you want to place the bolt down, locking it in. Use the provided washer and nylock nut. And you only want to do it hand tight. That way, when you're installing it over the bed, it's adjustable. That way you get your correct length of the rack. We just finished up installing the Chassis Unlimited Thorax Rack. We added traction mats and roto packs. Hope you guys liked the video. Use code NCT2021 at chassisunlimited.com. Follow them at Chassis Unlimited on Instagram as well. Thanks guys.